Oh, I forgot my coffee. Okay, so this is my camera setup that I normally film everything with. I'm clearly not using it now because I wanted to talk about it, or I want to edit it. So this is my mic. This is Arthur. He sits on top nicely, and then on the side he has to plug into one of these 3 ports. The others are just HDMI. And I never use these bottom ones, and I always use this one up here. So we go through a lot of bad weather, and my idea was if I can just cut the plastic little flap, that I could then keep the other 2 ports covered all the time and have my camera at less danger from bad rain or just misty rain, like dampness, maybe. So I'm going to try and do that now. I have sourced a knife and a lighter. And my idea is about just kind of heat it and then cut and heat and cut and heat and cut. That will be enough to cut through with. Yeah, so we'll take we'll take the mic off because there are some lines here, so I can kind of guess at where to cut. Yeah. Here we go. Okay. Off you come, Arthur. Don't think I need to keep the cable plugged in. It's a nice guide, but I also don't want to do anything too bad. Okay. Stick the knife way out so I don't melt the plastic that it's in. Ooh, ow. That worked. Okay. I don't know if you can see. I made a dent. Oh, it cooled really fast. So part of the advertising with this camera is that it is weather sealed or weather tight, and it seems to be a real shame to have this port constantly open and like clearly not being weather tight. Why did I blow up? Okay, so I'm making progress. Probably we best be able to see. So yeah, this actually works pretty well. I'm most of the way through. It's really scary doing things like this. I've never like edited or modded a camera before, but I see cool internet people doing this all the time. I'm sure there's nothing that can go wrong. I really hope these blades are like okay to heat and not going to like explode and kill me. Okay, hopefully this will be the last cut through. And I'd be really curious to know if any of you out there if you do similar things or have cameras that you take outdoors a lot and want to keep them safe, what you do to keep them safe. or weather tight or rain proof, because like winter is coming. I'm sure I'll be out in plenty more bad weather. So if you have any advice for me, please let me know. Almost there. The only thing I'm nervous about is like if I cut it either too much to one side, so I'm either exposing the port too much, or I haven't left enough room to plug in the cable. I probably should have started closer to the cable side of things so that I can always cut more. Measure twice, cut once kind of a thing. Or just cut once and cut once. Yeah, okay. Yes. Magical. Yay! Now the real moment of truth. Does this cable also then fit in? Have I cut off enough to like leave? I have. Oh my god, perfect. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay. Hold the camera the right way around. So, this bit now sits in. I just have a small flap open. And I can now leave Arthur plugged in all the time, as I do anyway. He's just constantly on the camera, plugged in. And not have to worry about the other two ports. That's it. That was very easy. Great. Ah, that was so much less scary than I expected. It was very hard to do the initial cut. It's only because I was filming this that I actually probably went through with it. Woohoo! It is hot.